This is going to be so fun. Do you know you have tassel stitches in this machine? They're going to look like this. So they're actually stitches that flip forward. Once you finish them, I'm going to show you how you cut them. So in the menu in, stitch number 3 and stitch number 4 are designed for this technique. Now I have switched thread in the needle, so it'll be different than what's in the bobbin, so I can show you how this actually works. So the stitches are actually quite big and long, so you can really flip them up. So I was playing with some settings here, and I do like where I was towards the end. So what you do is you actually flip it over. So the way this works is you need to take your scissors and snip the bobbin thread. So I'm going to come here. My bobbin thread's actually the pink, or bright fuchsia, I should say. And depending on where I cut will give me different looks. Now this one I have cut really close to the top, and this one I'm going to cut really close to the other side. So let me cut those. So depending on where you actually trim your tassels, like that one was the one I cut really, really close, you have to come to the front and you give them a little flip out of the sewing area. Now if you have some that got a little long or hairy, just give them a little haircut, and that's all you need. Now let's take a look at this one. This is the one I cut a little bit further up to the top. So this left the little loops. Now I'm picking out my bobbin thread because that's also been flipped up as well. But you just go ahead, flip them, and give them a little bit of a fluff, and before you know it, you have stitches that look like tassels. So the other stitch on screen, you do have that option as well. Same thing when you come back in here. Stitch number 4, you'll have tassels that will actually radiate out from the center point.